Alright guys, so I haven't made a video in a long time, sorry. For anybody that's actually following me, hopefully it'll be a few people. So just kind of getting into my Woodmizer LT 15, having a blast. So I'm trying to work on basically 6x6 beams to start a little barn structure and end up with a bunch of 1x6 as a byproduct. This one cut a little short, it'll end up being the braces. So yesterday we got that 16-footer and all those 16-footer 1-bys. Got a couple of the 6x6 posts back there. And anyways, thanks for watching. I'll try to post this one soon.
So I was doing pretty good, and I figured I'd do another log. So what you're seeing here is a second log. It's going to end up being an 8-foot 6x6 and whatever I got out of it in 1x6s. Getting to know the mill a little bit better, getting a little bit more efficient with how I make it work.
Well, there you have it. In less than half an hour, I was able to take a log and make it into a very usable 6x6 and 4 1x6s and some firewood and kindling to boot. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.